Hey whales, good morning. It is Friday. Let's go over and recap hymns. So just to give you an idea in terms of how I'm doing so far for the month of May, doing quite well, up 11.4k USD, on pace for about a 300k year. You can see majority of my trades have been across high volume names, and I took a win on hymns yesterday, so I was super happy about that, one of my biggest wins so far. And you can see from the calendar view, off to a really amazing start, so hopefully I can keep up the momentum for the last few weeks here. So again, if you guys want my actual trades, entries, signals, and everything like that, come join Discord. I gave all my entries. This was the win on hymns yesterday. Perfect entry to get to the target. So I look forward to seeing you guys here in Discord and making a lot of money together. Okay, so with that said, let's go over hymns. So in regards to this, we're expecting more upside, and I told you guys over and over again to continuously buy the dip and to always have this trend line cutting across your charts. You can see we ticked right into this trend line for that dip buy, and ultimately we are possibly going up to this wave 3, 4, and then all-time highs to about 83 bucks is what I have it. If I take the inverse fibs from the swing highs down to the swing lows, now let's put on some inverse fibs here. You can see the target is that $84 to $92 mark. So, in the Discord, we've been trading hymns, and we've been super successful at it. So hopefully we can just keep on trucking along. And there's going to be some choppiness here, right? We're working on a series of 3s, 4s, and 5s. So these are the areas where you're going to be a bit confused on whether this is the top or not. But essentially, if you just zoom out, guys, put on this trend line, and ultimately get your levels set, we're looking at all-time highs. Okay? And, when you're looking at the SPYs and the Qs, when they start to cool off a bit and they consolidate, these smaller cap stocks like hymns, they start to run up quickly, like SMCI, like Oklo, etc., etc. These are going to start pushing higher, and they're going to have to eventually catch up. So you're starting to see that a bit. So as long as hymns can continue staying on this trend line, I see all-time highs, guys. Now, let's say we do have a worst-case scenario where we're working on a 3, 4, and maybe this is the 5, right? Let's say we can't break above this high, okay? And let's say this is the 3, and we're coming down for a double correction on a 4. Well, we're looking at, let's see here, him to come down between 49 and 41 bucks, guys. Okay, this is the worst case scenario here. And typically, corrections like to end at wave 4 on the primary cycle. So anywhere around these levels, 48 to 44. Okay, so that's sort of what you're looking at if this was the top. So worst case scenario, that's sort of the idea. But best case scenario, keep buying on this trend line, keep buying the dips, and we're looking at all-time highs. So I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great rest of your Friday.